I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Create a virtualenv, install Flask or Fast API, and pin versions so deployments are reproducible. Once done, register for an LLM API and store the key and environment variables to avoid leaks. Next, scaffold a minimal app with one route for chat input and another for receiving model responses. This immediately gives you a testable loop. Make sure to enable JSON request parsing and cores so your front end can talk to the backend. Now implement the request lifecycle. Validate user messages, assemble the prompt with recent context, and call the LLM API. Use conversation history, but truncate intelligently to stay within token limits. That preserves relevance while preventing errors. Make your API calls asynchronous if using Fast API, add retry logic with exponential backoff, and handle rate limit responses gracefully. Also normalize and sanitize inputs to avoid prompt injection, and log compact traces so you can replay failures during debugging without exposing secrets. Finish by wiring a lightweight frontend that sends messages and renders streaming responses. Implement message queuing or optimistic UI for responsiveness. Containerize the app with Docker, use Uvicorn or Unicorn for production, and deploy to your cloud provider with proper secrets and health checks. Once live, monitor logs and metrics for latency and error patterns. If something breaks, inspect environment variables, verify API keys and quotas, confirm token usage and core settings, and replay failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.